Dear Class 2020, greetings everyone. I am Rajbir, Faculty of Computer Department. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving me such a great opportunity to interact with you all. We realize that this situation is not at all what you expected. We appreciate all your hard work and dedication. You have handled this new situation with great enthusiasm, class, and determination. As we shifted to a new learning experience, you raised the challenge of learning. As a faculty, we are committed to our students. As we progress through this situation, we will continue to provide updates, answer questions, and concerns as they arise. With your continuous support, flexibility, and patience, we will all move forward through these challenging times to create memorable moments for the class of 2020. You will prevail. The reason I know you will prevail is because so many others have done it before you. 100 years ago, the class of 1920 graduated into the end of a deadly pandemic. 50 years ago, the class of 1970 graduated in the midst of the Vietnam War. There are notable examples like this. They had to overcome new challenges, and in all cases, they prevailed. The long arc of history tells us we have every reason to be hopeful. So, be hopeful. There is an interesting trend I have noticed. It's very conventional for every generation to underestimate the potential of the following one. It is because they don't realize the progress of one generation becomes the foundational premise for the next, and it takes a new set of people to come along and realize all the possibilities. So, take the time to find the things that excites you more than anything else in the world. Not the things your parents want you to do, or the things that your friends are doing, or that society expects from the you. I know you are getting a lot of advice today, so let me leave you with mine. Be open, be impatient, be hopeful. If you can do that, history will remember the class of 2020 not for what you lost, but for what you have changed. You have the chance to change everything. I am optimistic you will. Stay safe and stay strong. We are proud of you. Thank you.